How to change Lovable account password. In order to change Lovable account password, you have to do so from the sign-in page itself. So from the Lovable app, first of all, go to the login screen, and here normally you can enter your email address as you normally would and tap the continue button. Now basically, if you had remembered your password, you would be able to enter your password and then basically log into your account, right? But if in your case you happen to forget your password, now in my case I actually linked with my Google account, so you're seeing continue with Google account. But if you have your email and password created manually in previous steps, then when you tap on continue, you'll find the option that says forgot password. So when you tap the forgot password button, basically you can type in your email address and you can simply open the email sent to your particular inbox, and when you select that, you'll be able to type in a new password and sign in automatically. Or if you actually continued with your Google account, you can also directly log in using your Google account as well. This way you can change your Lovable account password. Hope this video helped you out, and if you have got any questions, do feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.